Welcome to SpeakDeck AI. In this quick tour, you'll see how to turn one English learning topic into a finished teaching resource. Start by creating your account or signing in. Once your WarriorPlus key is redeemed, your plan and credit balance appear here. Open Deck Studio to create a standard printable deck. Enter a topic, choose your card count, visual theme, level, and learner type. Add a real-life speaking situation and learning outcome, then generate. Standard deck actions use 1 credit. For illustrated resources, choose Visual Deck Studio. Select an illustration style and card layout. SpeakDeck plans scene backgrounds, creates visual cards, and shows the visual credit cost before you start. Pro users can build 3 or 6 deck collections, then open Marketplace Kit to create listing copy, buyer FAQs, product preview plans, and bundle ideas for Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, Gumroad, or their own store. Agency users can plan client delivery and larger catalogs. In Bonus Library, creator users get ready to sell deck briefs and preview wireframes. My Library keeps every saved deck, collection, kit, and plan in one place. Credit history makes every deduction transparent and restores failed requests automatically. Start with one focused topic, review the result, then print, teach, or package your new resource. Welcome to SpeakDeck AI.